everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for being here. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am sharing with you my Gentleman Junk Journal. I just finished it this morning and I hope that you will like this because it is so much fun completing this journal. This is the second masculine journal that I have ever created. I believe the first one was 2 years ago. So I am really happy and excited to share this with you. The size of this journal is 8.5 by 6.5 inches with a spine of 1 3/4. It has 3 signatures and the inside pages are all embellished. The base of the cover is cereal box and I used a sheet from Dress My Craft paper pad and the name of the paper pad is My Gentleman. This paper pad is really awesome. I love it and I hope that you will like the inside pages as well. The spine is decorated with metal gears. I did the 3-hole pamphlet stitch binding to hold the signatures together, added eyelets and faux leather to decorate the spine and also the cover. I did some stitching here and then the corners are protected using corner plates or protectors, and so this is the back. I really like how this ended up, and then the eyelets have leather cord for a different look. And then this is just a button for closure. So very simple closure, button and elastic. And I also liked how it turned out. I hope you do as well. So this journal has plenty of metal gears as embellishments, even in the inside pages. I made sure that there are plenty of writing space. Some of the elements can be removed and can be moved to different pages. There are lots of pockets, tucks, tags, and inserts, wonderful ephemera, beautiful digital kits from 2 Etsy shops that I will provide in my description, and the papers from Dress My Craft, My Gentleman. Okay, so let us take a look inside. I will play some music and I'll be back before the end of this video. back. Thank you so much for staying. I hope that you like this flip through, and I hope that you like the journal. Let me know what you think. This gentleman junk journal will be listed in my Etsy shop tonight, and the link will be provided in my description if you are interested. Please do not forget to subscribe if you are not part of my YouTube family. Stay safe. God bless you. And again, thank you for watching. Bye now. Till next time.